Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create cinematic video transition on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application, and as you can see, I have added my videos to this project, and I'm going to create cinematic video transition for this video. So to create the cinematic video transition, I'm going to apply fade in and fade out animation. So you're going to tap on your clip and then go to the animation, select in category, and then you have to select fade in. Okay, and for the out animation, I'm going to select the fade out, and then you can adjust the duration like this, and I'm going to do it one by one for all of my clips. I'm going to go to animation, select in and fade in, adjust the duration for the out as well, just like the fade out. Okay, and one more clip. Go to animation, select in, and choose the fade in and the out. I'm going to select fade out. Okay, and I'm going to show you the final result. The video will be like this, and I think it looks cinematic guys because of the fade in and fade out effect. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic video transition on CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.